Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here an executive styled mansion that was reduced in price. It sits on zero point 0.3 acres of land. It is located in one of Mandeville's better suburbs on Mount Nelson Road. This home has everything you need for your family. Equipped with 7 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, the property is perfect. There are lawn spaces all around, and expansive driveway, large enough swimming pool to entertain on those hot days. The kitchen is a chef's dream with large prepping space. The floor is wooden for the most part, and it gives a really nice old world charm. The garage is large enough to hold those expensive cars, plus everything you need to store. Just think of the family events, parties, get togethers in the stunning house. The curb appeal is worth every look. The price is also negotiable, and owners are motivated to sell. Call your agent to view this beauty. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 89.95 million or US $584.4 thousand dollars. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.